Cozy HowTo, your place for a snuggly, warm learning experience. This is PowerPoint 2010, lesson number 1. And in this lesson, we're going to talk about the ribbon, the slide pane, and slide tabs. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you want to do is open up PowerPoint 2010. Once you have that open, we're going to take a look at the ribbon. Now, if you haven't noticed, the ribbon looks much like a navigation menu when you go to a website. You'll notice that by default, we're under the Home tab. But if we place our cursor over any of these other tabs, it'll highlight, much like a mouse over when you're on a website. Okay? Now, under the Home tab, we have a bunch of different categories. We have the Clipboard, Slides, Font, Paragraph, Drawing, and Editing. And all these categories are related to tools that you would use most often in PowerPoint. So things like copy, cut, and paste under the Clipboard section, adding new slides under the Slides section, modifying fonts under the Font section, modifying your paragraph under the Paragraph section, drawing, editing, and so on. And if you click under the Insert tab here, you'll see that it has things related to inserting things into your PowerPoint. So you can insert a table, you can insert images, illustration, links, text, symbols, media like video and audio. So it's very logical in terms of the way that it's laid out. If you were to click on design, it's going to have things related to design. In this case, designing the page setup, designing the theme for your slides. If you click on transitions, you're going to get things that are related to transitioning between slides. Animations, you're going to get things that are going to help you animate things within your slide. Slideshows is going to be related to things for your slideshow, like starting your slideshow so that you can see what it looks like. The setup, the timing of your slideshow, and so on. So I think you get the general idea. If you click through these other tabs, you'll see things that are related to its category. So review is going to deal with things for review. View is going to deal with how you view your slide. So very logical process to how the ribbon works. So now let's take a look at the slide pane. The slide pane is basically the primary work area, or basically where you're going to place your objects, your pictures, your images, your video, your audio, music, pretty much everything that you're going to have in your PowerPoint slide is going to be edited in the slide pane. So now let's take a look at the slide tabs. The slide tabs is basically just a small thumbnail or a small preview of the slide pane. And that'll come in handy when you have multiple slides within your PowerPoint presentation. So that's a small overview of the PowerPoint interface or workspace, however you want to call it. And I hope that this video was helpful in helping someone that's totally new to PowerPoint 2010. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to embed, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for future tutorials on PowerPoint 2010. Have a great day.